Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper the Model Builder, and we're going to the Tumbler. Yes, the Tumbler. It's been quite a while, and it's going to be quite a while before we get the next parts in, because apparently they've changed to 42 days in between packages. I don't know why they did that without telling us, but it's changed to 42 days now, and that seems to be normal as for the email I got from them. But let's not moan about it and just build, as we have parts at the moment from 83 to 88. I think I'll be doing them by 3, so shorter videos, and I know that longer videos are not doing too well on my YouTube channel, but you can help me with that by liking, subscribing, and watching the video all the way to the end, and helping me with that YouTube algorithm. But let's get into this and start this beautiful build. Alright, 83 is the first stage that we're doing. As I said, I'm not doing all 6 stages in one video, unless everything is very short. 83 is the first one. There we go, number 3, 83 here. The fondness of retro. I'm not too keen on retro stuff. Not very keen. That is what we're doing. We're putting a left armored panel in, and we're doing the same thing in the next one. So let's get that out. Let's get 83 out. APEM and ooh, something's different. Oh, well, just a piece of plastic here. And then this is the armored panel, and now we need to get the left side out, and I think this is the left side. Yes, marked with a big L right there, a very large one. And if I'm correct, we're going to put this on here somewhere, but before we do that, we are going to put this one on, and I think it is like so, and then we're going to put some APs on that, I think. Yeah. That is what we should have now. So we've got 1, 2, 3 points, and we've got 1, 2, 3 points here as well. And that is what we should have. And then we're going to the back side to put the back of it, this whole thing, to put 3 EMs on. And we're getting the oil closer as well. And the last one is going into, I think, yeah, the lower of the two. There are 2 screw holes here, and we're going into the lower of the 2. 1, 2, 3 EMs, and that beautiful panel is in. Let's put that to the side and see what we do next. Nothing, that is just that panel done. There you go, that massive thing. All right. Let's put that to the side. Let's see what we do in 84. Most probably more or less the same thing. 84. 1 car, 2 lives. And as you can see, same thing. So, but I'm going to put this one away. And something new is coming after that. Let's see if I have 84 in here. And I'm missing the EM screws, sorry. Oh, there it is. And then that. Let's get the panel out that we need. This is the right hand panel at this moment. Let's get the 2 APs out that we need, and let's put those EMs in there as well. And I think it was like so. Let's just have a quick fast look. So there's a pretty big marker in here that says an R here, so we know to check whether or not that is an R as well, so we know that is the right hand side, just for us to double check and make sure that we're putting it on the right position. It's in there already, and we've got an R right there. And we're putting a few more of those lovely screws in. And then the last EM screw in this panel and in this stage. Well, I don't know if it's the last EM on this panel, but it's in this stage, yes. 1, 2, 3 EMs, and we've got that beautiful panel in all the way up to there. And that is what we have. It's pretty massive if you compare it to my hand. All right, that's 83 done, 4 done, sorry. 85 is right here, but before I do that, I take a sip of tea. Have a look at that. Really like the car. Thank you to Hachette for bringing that, because I really like it. Well, for somebody who loves comic, this is a really nice magazine. And if you want it, let me know. I will send it to you when I'm done with the build. And 85 I need. This one. So we've got these panels, left and right. And we've got these left and right as well. This is the right one, so I need that one. It's in there like so, but you need quite a bit of force to put it in. That side is in. And that side is in. Right there and there. And we're only on 15 minutes. So I'm gonna have a quick check what we do in the next stages. Because if we don't do a lot, and I can make it to... So as you see, this is a nice short one. We put those beautiful... we put those panels on the left and the right hand side, and we made those, so we put that little part in there, and we are going on, and so that was what we did. Please like, subscribe and pass it on, and join me next time when I do some more on this beautiful build. I will be doing the last 3 stages that I have here, 86, 87 and 88, and you'll see that in a few days or a few weeks. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope to see you next time on any of my builds. May it be the ones in the back, may it be the ones on the channel, may it be this one, but hope to see you next time. Thank you very much. See you next time.